Hey, Grimway Scholars, this is Mr. Pasillas, your fourth grade STEM teacher, and we're going to go ahead and review our Thursday assignment. Um, the first assignment we have is our Notice and Wonder. And so, as we're looking at this, some of you had mentioned that you notice that there are base 10 blocks. Some of you guys had noticed that it looks like an area model. And some of you guys said some other great things as well. So make sure you write down all the things that you notice and you wonder about this. And I'm going to review a problem that might help you look at this problem a certain way. So when I go over, if I'm doing an area model and I want to solve a problem like 22 times 15, if I do an area model, it's going to look something like this. I typically break apart my 22 into my 10s and 1s. And then I also do the same thing with the 15 to 10 and 5. Then I'm going to go ahead and multiply. So again, I can do 10 times 20, or I can do 1 times 2, and then add in my zeros. I can do 10 times 2, or 1 times 2, and add in my 0, and I still get 20. 5 times 2 is 10, add in my 0, and then 5 times 2 is 10. Now I'm going to add all these up to see 200, 100, 20, and 10, and I get 330. So kind of looking at that problem, maybe look at this model again and maybe see if there's a way you can solve it. Make sure you reply with a Flipgrid video showing me your model and how you solved it. I really like it when you guys write it down on paper or on a whiteboard and show me. Make sure you also respond to your peers and give them some feedback. Maybe they solved it a different way. Maybe they solved something different. There's one more thing I wanted to go over with you, which is our Thursday problem set on Engage New York. Now, when we look at this, we know that we have to compare. So if we are comparing, we have to use these symbols. And remember, these symbols are the greater than, less than, and equal symbols. And then again, we're going to be using our place value today, just like we used yesterday. So we need to fill these in, right? So what's our lowest place value? If you said ones, you are correct. And then after ones is tens, good job. And then after tens is hundreds. And after hundreds is thousands. After thousands is 10,000s. And after 10,000s is 100,000s. Sorry for the sloppy handwriting. It's kind of hard to write on the computer. So I can keep going. After 100,000s, then we go into millions. So, but let's go ahead and start filling these numbers in. We have our first number here, and let's go ahead and fill that in. We have 600,015, and then we have our second number, which is 60015. So we want to make sure that we put these all in the correct place values. So if we're comparing, we're always going to look at the number on the left side because the number on the left side is going to be your greatest number. And so as we look at the number on the left side, we see that this first number is greater because this one's in the 100,000s and this one's in the 10,000s. So we can say that this value right here is much or is greater. So it's 60,015, and the other one is, I'm sorry, 600,015, and the other one is 60,015. So we know this one's greater because one, it has an additional digit, and two, that digit is in the 100,000s place, not the 10,000s. So make sure you solve your next problems. Let me know how it goes, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye.